How to buy your Shopify domain. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to purchase your own Shopify domain. We're just like to inform you that domain is an essential step in creating your online store as it gives you a unique online identity and it makes it easier for customers to find and remember your website. So here what we do is sign into your Shopify account and go to settings. That's on the lower left corner of the screen, and then go from settings you can go to domain. And then here you can just click on buy a new domain, or you can have the option to replace the domain if you already have a purchased one. So when you buy a domain, let's say you will be using www dot, and there it currently is unavailable here in my end since I am currently my trial period is expired already. So here you can also click on learn more about the domain. And another way for you to purchase the domain is here by going to this website, Namecheap. This website is a platform where you will be able to purchase domain, hosting, WordPress, email, apps, and security. And you can just click here whether um, what domain you prefer for your online website. And each domain has different prices on it. And there are also the reasons, and you can also find out what are the top domains being used for creating websites. So once you have purchased one here, you can just go back to your Shopify account, and then you can, if you already have purchased a domain from Namecheap, you can just click on connect existing domain, and then you can just input the informations here, and you also need to follow the instructions given once you have purchased a domain from the Namecheap website. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.